Hi there, this is developer Seong, and today I'm going to talk about the features of ElectronVisualized, the GPaw-driven. Using the density functional theory, we developed a new tool to visualize electrons in an elegant and beautiful manner. Today we're going to explore the website and its interface in order to handle different calculations on ElectronVisualized. In order to access the website, either go to the GitHub page and click Launch Website, or directly type electronvisual.org on the website URL section. If you go on the website, you will first see the home menu. There are molecules that you can easily compute on the top of the page, as well as atoms displayed on the periodic table. Only hydrogen is available at the moment due to the website still being in the development phase. Now, let's plot hydrogen gas. To plot hydrogen gas, simply click the hydrogen gas button. Extremely straightforward. Click the Start Rendering button. You will see the description in the middle of the whole website, the web page, and you will see the title bolded on the top, indicating that we are indeed in the hydrogen gas section. So you can see the 3D model of the hydrogen gas below, and as you guys can see, there are some density data here. White indicates the thickest part. The bright red is the second thickest part. The light red is the third, and the white, almost like a little, transparent, translucent white indicates the fourth thickest part. And if you enable the animation, you can see that the particle size changes in order to kind of visualize the density. As you guys can see, now you can see the molecular structure a little more clearly, and that's hydrogen gas. You can change the particle radius manually using this slide bar as well. Now, let's have a look at water. Water is H2O, has 2 hydrogen atoms as well as 1 oxygen atom. Oxygen has more electronegativity, meaning that more electrons are attracted to oxygen, and on the visual we will be able to kind of check it out in a more intuitive sense. There you go. So that is water. As you guys can see, there is 1 oxygen atom here, as well as 2 hydrogen atom forming 120 degrees bond. Currently, the coloring system isn't too accurate enough to display the lone pairs of the electrons, but we will get there soon, and the optimization update is coming soon, which will bring huge improvement to the website. So similarly, we can change the particle radius, and you can also enable the animation to make it a little more dynamic. Now, I wanted to introduce a feature called Asynchronous Plotting, meaning while you're going on, some water and then you plot it, you can still go to the home page and still check out the information. It basically, the rendering process basically runs in the background instead of, being dependent on the view you're in. So, for example, if you go to ElectronVisualized and then let's plot something a little faster because water takes a lot of time. Let's try to plot hydrogen. Hydrogen is, an atom, and it's relatively faster for the program to kind of calculate the density in real time. So by saying real time, it means there's no pre-rendered data. Everything is generated in real time on the server side. So that's hydrogen atom. You can go home and then you can come back clicking the render button, and it's still there. It doesn't disappear. And last but not least, let's check out hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is one of those unique structures that have more electrons on the chlorine side, obviously, and it's pretty obvious because it's an acid. So obviously there's more electrons on one side, predominantly more electrons on one side. So let's check it out. So hydrochloric acid consists of hydrogen and chlorine, and it just basically looks like this. It looks very cool. Look at that. There's significantly more electrons on the chlorine side. Obviously the big one's chlorine, and then the small one's hydrogen. That is it. And also you can come back to render in order to check out the model. It doesn't disappear, it's still there. You can freely move around using your mouse cursor. Currently there is a little bit of a memory leak present, but we will get there soon, so don't worry about it. Now, going to API. ElectronVisualized provides the API for the developers who are interested in using our data in other apps. It is open source, so feel free to just, copy the code or copy the URL or fetch data from the API. So for example, let's fetch the density data for hydrogen gas. If you just click the fetch data button or enter this URL on your website or on your web browser, you will be able to get the JSON file. In this case, because we clicked the button on the website, the JSON file will be nicely arranged in this format, which just looks so beautiful. It looks absolutely gorgeous. The seamless integration between the server and the client side enables users the best experience in the industry. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and have a great one. Bye.